Well, welcome to a very sunny Brands Hatch. This is the penultimate round of the Porsche Club Championship this year for 2023. We've got 3 drivers out today. We've got Will Toon in Class 3, Brian Richardson in Class 2 and Andy Toon in Class 1. Should be an awesome day. Enjoy the video and hopefully we'll see you at the next race, which is at Snetterton. And come and join us for a cup of coffee.
My hands on myself. Pick up, dust them off, put them back up on the shelf. Kiss my little baby girl is in need. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, but I feel it still. Got another mouth to feed. Leave it with the babies till the mama call the grave digger. Gone with the fallen leaves. Am I coming out of left field? Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now. Might have had your fill, but I feel it still. Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. Let me kick it like it's 1986 now. Might be over now, feel it still. We could fight a war for peace. Give in to that easy living, goodbye to my hopes and dreams. Stop living for my enemies. We could wait until the walls come down. It's time to give a little to the kids in the middle. Oh, till it falls, won't bother me.
So we had a huge fun.
We did.
Good stuff. This young man doing very well, moving forward. I was going all right, but chose the wrong way around the back marker, unfortunately. Mr. Toon doing very well. New engine, cars coming together.
Car's
Yeah.
good. Car's good. Started 10th, came in 6th, rated
Sixth,
it,
yeah.
raced it up.
Yeah.
Had a good start.
Yeah.
She's good, yeah.
So it's not a bad thing. But unusual to see him sweating. He's normally Mr. Calm, Mr. Smooth, but apparently he sweats as well. Would you believe it?
Shock horror.
But well done. Good stuff.
Brilliant one, boys. Well done, guys.
Well done. A bit of damage, Paul. What's
Yeah, wheels out and yeah, a bit of a second corner on the first lap incident, I'm afraid. It's obviously all great going into the second corner. Just caught Will off guard, really. I think he's gone up the back of them. Problem is with the Porsches, they've got 3 radiators at the front, very, very near the front. So it's basically it's popped this radiator here. And then carried on going a little bit, so he's ended up overheating the car. That's the end of his day, unfortunately.
Get a buff out though, Paul, don't you?
Yeah, I mean, T-Cut's very good.
Yeah.
Ooh, I'm a rebel just for kicks now. I've been feeling it since 1966 now.